What you have to focus is becoming stronger. What you are trying to subconsciously do, unintentionally doing, is listening to somebody else's voices.
Yeah.
That you are weak,
Yeah.
which you don't have to do. Tell me.
Actually, I wanted to learn digital marketing.
You want to learn digital marketing?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you want to do in your life? First, tell me that.
I want to become a marketer.
You want to be a marketer?
Ah.
Okay, so the first step to become a marketer is first you have to understand that why you are doing that. See, becoming a marketer is equivalent to like becoming a doctor, maybe becoming an engineer, becoming anything, right? Becoming a filmographer, becoming like a spokesperson,
Yeah.
becoming a speaker.
Yeah.
So it's just another kind of thing.
Yeah.
So you have to know your purpose, that if you want to be a digital marketer, is there a strong reason behind you trying to achieve that particular thing, or just because everybody is right now going into digital marketing you want to do that?
Actually, I want to open up my own business.
You want to open up your own business of
Any, actually, I am not sure.
not sure, right? So my first advice to you would be, see, right now at the age of 30, when I am doing all these things, I didn't have any idea that I would be doing this kind of thing when I was 21, 22 of your age, right? I had no clue. I was just a college dropout, and then I started with call center jobs. Because see, whatever you want to do in your life, which you want to maybe achieve 10, 20 years down the line, you have to understand that you require what?
Money.
You require money.
Actually, I am a BBA student.
You are a BBA student.
Uh,
So what I would suggest is, whatever you're doing right now, don't stop that.
I will
Yeah.
not talk this with perspective of becoming a business woman. I want to do digital marketing.
I get it. So you want to also pursue BBA, then you want to become a businesswoman, start your own business. I understand. But then once you are completing BBA, you need some cash flow. Alright? So after completing BBA, maybe you can take up a small little job which can give you some cash flow.
Actually, my mother is also supporting.
Okay.
Our family have
Family business?
no,
Okay.
not a family business,
But they are doing good. You come from a well-to-do background?
yeah.
Okay. So now if your parents are willing to give you a little bit of money to start your own business, then it is okay. So let's suppose if somebody gives me money, let's suppose all these girls ask their parents to give me 1 crore rupees. And they ask me that, Pratik sir, please open up a dental clinic. Then even if I get 1 crore rupees, I won't be able to start a dental clinic, right? So if you want to do digital marketing, just start applying the small strategies. All right. If right now Instagram is working, just learn. Like, we have two best teachers in the world on internet. They are Google and YouTube. If you search anything,
Yeah.
let's do it right over here. I'm into Google and I'm searching for how to learn digital marketing, and I hit enter. I'm getting all these results. All right. How to learn digital marketing for free in 6 months. Learn digital marketing, an ultimate guide to become digital marketer. Now what I did when I started all these things, I did this only. There was nobody to teach me,
Already.
right? So you have to go through and use these two best teachers in the world where you don't have to invest money. Google and YouTube doesn't tell you that yes, you have to pay 4 years college fee.
But if I even go to do some of the content with YouTubers saying, I am not able to understand.
That is okay. That is okay. You have to understand that being a little bit of disabled might be your only strength in future. All right. There are a lot of people who cannot hear,
Yeah.
but they can speak.
Yeah.
Maybe you are not able to speak that much, but you are able to listen.
Yeah.
So the best piece of advice, see, if I had a younger sister, you are my younger sister right now, all right? The best piece of advice to you right now would be consume positivity as much as you can. Don't try to learn digital marketing. Consume as much positivity as you can through your ears and become mentally so strong that all your things which you subconsciously have as weakness will convert into strengths. My mentor always says, stop focusing on your weaknesses. Focus on your strengths. What is the number one strength which you have? Like you have to figure out.
Yeah.
And the process of figuring out is a little bit long.
Yeah.
It might take 2 years, it might take 2 months, maybe it might take 20 years. But you should not give up. When I took my third ever drop, I had no support from my family, no support from my friends, nothing. I only had 300 rupees on my name in my bank account. Alright? Things happen. When you stick to something and you just have a fixed goal, things will happen.
Actually, my future goal is to do a business. Any
kind of business. So don't worry about that. Any kind of business will definitely happen any point in time in your life. What you have to focus is becoming stronger. What you are trying to subconsciously do, unintentionally doing is listening to somebody else's voices that you are weak, which you don't have to do. When I took my third drop, it was a similar situation. All my friends got a job worth 30,000, 40,000 in 2011. Alright, when you probably were in schools. At that point in time, they were earning 40,000. I was doing a call center job of 9,000, 10,000 rupees. Without a degree, without a secure future. I had no path. But still I was going. I kept going. All those friends are right now coming in touch with me now. I'll tell you, all the girls, the hi-fi kind of NRI girls in the college, which never used to speak with me. Why? Because I'm kind of a gunda.
You right? Are not.
I was in my past, in my college days. मैं अगर हिंदी में बात करना शुरू करेगा तो मेरा बम्बईया टोन आ जाएगा अभी. Right? So now the thing is, all those people will start giving you respect when you stay in your line and you will start achieving something in your life. Don't worry about, I want to do a business, I want to become a businesswoman. No. Yes, in the long run. But in the short run, what you have to do, what you have to focus, you have to focus upon small little steps which are, you have to clear over here. The reason why nobody can beat me or nobody can convince me easily is, I'm strong enough over here.
That is your personal point.
Exactly. See, I have never ever talked to a girl like you, but I'm just having a normal conversation with you without struggling to understand you. Why? Because I'm putting all my 1000% energy in trying to understand you. That's what you have to do to make other people understand. You have to put in all your 10,000% energy, right, and then make other people explain. Now, will that happen over the night? No. But 5 years down the line, when somebody would hear you, they would say, yes, that girl who used to like, but now she is like, she has improved a lot. And that will make you cry in 2024. Alright? Become over here. Be a businesswoman for yourself over here. And then for the rest of the world with a product or a service for yourself. Good enough? Once again, what's your name? Sorry? Shreya Mehta. Alright. I will definitely listen Shreya Mehta as a big businesswoman maybe in 10-20 years down the line, and I will tell my kids that this was the lady whom I talked on 10th August 2019 in Quest 2019. Sure. Alright?
Thank you.
Cool enough. God bless you. Right? Now, here are a couple of more episodes which I would really love for you. If you have additional time, or maybe you can just tap on that and just bookmark those videos so that if you can watch it later on. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future valuable episode on this YouTube channel.